Hello everybody, welcome to GS Precision Technology. I'm Maggie. I will show you around our company.
Our company is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, founded in 2021 and cover an area of 3,000 squares. The company is mainly engaged in CNC machining, mold, injection molding, sheet metal parts, die casting, stamping, 3D printing, and other services. The company's business scope includes automobile equipment, mechanical parts, electronic parts, and other fields. We offer manufacturing services including CNC milling, turning, laser cutting, bending, EDM, springs, tooling, injection molding, and over 50 materials. Our company currently have CNC workshop, injection molding workshop, die casting workshop, sheet metal parts workshop, spring precision, 3D printing workshop, and also have more than 60 professional equipment. We attract customers from all over the world through our professional team of engineers, efficient sales team, and advantage price. We have professional industrial experience of more than 10 years, a production team of 50 people. Our company is professional OEM, ODM manufacturer. We have ISO 9001 certificate, NSF, ISR certificate. Our company conducts professional skill competitors and trainings every year. We have more than 20 testing equipment, such as 2-dimensional CMM, spectrometer, high-level silicon microscope, etc. We strictly implement the quality inspection step of 100% full inspection to meet the ISO quality standard. We uphold the customer first, quality first, integrity-based customer philosophy to provide customers with professional, high-quality products and service. We are looking forward to cooperation with you.